Hi. So I often get the question, why don't you use Invisalign? Why do you use a different system? And the answer is actually pretty simple, is that any system that we use as orthodontists is simply a tool, right? It's something we use to get the result that the patient wants and that we want to achieve for somebody. So Invisalign was the first company that made clear aligner treatment, as we call it. Other companies have come into play over many years, and the system we've used for about the past 8 years is called clarity aligners. And from the patient standpoint, you're wearing trays all day, every day, taking them out to eat and brush, okay? You're changing them weekly, and each week your teeth are gonna get straighter, and your bite's gonna improve a little bit until we get to the finish line. So each company has their own distinct software, plastic material, all right? And different things that make it unique. Now, there are three main reasons that I use clarity aligners versus Invisalign or any other company. And they are the things that really set it apart, at least in my opinion. The first thing that came along was the material that every company uses is pretty much one plastic. And what we figured out over time was different plastics or different companies' materials worked a little bit better at some things, and different companies' materials worked a little bit better at other things, right? Because no one was really good at everything. And just like if you know we have braces, when we put different wires in the mouth, we will vary the wire from visit to visit so that different wires can accomplish different things better than other wires. So it's somewhat customized. Well, one size fits all with Invisalign and most other companies. Clarity aligners allows us to pick between two different materials, one thinner and more flexible, one thicker, a little stronger. So now, during the treatment, we can use different ones at different times, much like we do with braces. And that's one of the big reasons that clarity aligners have allowed us to become more efficient. And what does that mean for you? You get done a little sooner, right? Because we're not dealing with a weaker material when we want a stronger material and vice versa, okay? The second innovation, really not an innovation, it's just that, and this was the first thing, is that the trays are cut straight across, all right? Invisalign, you'll notice, you think it's pretty where it's kind of scalloped up and down along the margins of the teeth, okay? There's plenty of research now that shows a tray that's a little higher, that goes right across, delivers and controls the teeth better in movement, which means you can make smiles broader more efficiently. You can change deep bites and correct that better. So there's a lot of benefits simply by making any material straight across rather than scalloping. And Invisalign just doesn't want to do that. Again, more efficient treatment means shorter treatment times. The last innovation really is the newest one, and everyone knows about the attachments, those tooth color little bumps that we have to place on some teeth so that the trays can kind of grip and put the right pressure and the right amounts on each tooth to allow the movement to happen. So traditionally for 20 plus years, we kind of put this soft composite material in these templates, right? We squirted in here and we bonded onto the patient's teeth. And it's kind of accurate, but not really. There's always excess, you got to clean it off. All those little errors that we do there that are built into that system from day one lead to imperfections and errors throughout treatment. And they mismagnify as you go further in treatment. Now, we've gotten really good at compensating for those things, okay? We still get treatment done the right way, but it takes more trays to compensate for the little errors that were happening the first time we put the attachments on patients' teeth. Now, Clarity has pre-designed and pre-built these 3D printed attachments based on our specifications as the doctor, and now they are exact. We don't have to make them. There is no excess to clean up. They are exactly the size and shape they're supposed to be. And also, they don't shrink. When you make them yourself, when you harden them, they get a little bit smaller. And that puts us behind from day one. So that's not an issue anymore either. So 3 simple things that really set clarity aligners apart, which is why we use it, all right? Now, I'm not necessarily advocating for, oh, everyone should use this, but the important thing to remember is that these are tools, right? We are specialists, we are orthodontists, we are trained in the movement of teeth. And honestly, I can use any system and get a pretty good result. But I found the one that works best for us, and we've been using it for 8 years, and we're getting the results we want in less trays and shorter treatment times. And that's why we use clarity aligners. and not Invisalign.